Ner mala kenyam biya kamal ka jen gwas men bana rwach ka lera pai berech kemen pai nong ka kwi kuran to kam Congolese ne Carodian ano kan natin content cha gwanya Congolese no ishun kan kel ke am 23 rabo me bukon kulen gwasa me lera shalat gwasa me East Africa Union chikalar nene Congolese kan Rwanda ke president bikano ka ngade ka summit ke dol me ba dol East Africa community kan SADC na medio ji South Africa ba big tin kan ne diti kamanda na cha kulat gwas me jen gor banong yimane ngai kono ne chenge dan me chala do kan de karum shi kuma Congo kana benene she ke shi kuma Rwanda she cha George jen cha George ne me shi kana me shi ka right ntama chala do ken cha ka chol gwasa me lo buka waka jen dola ba cholo ni kon kuma Congo gonya kuma Rwanda no ken ku kan Rwanda I mean Congolese M23 ku kan ga support cha roja dana chala da polka gama cha jelin gwata me ka cha roja do dina dana chala da jen kwar Congolese me men chal Felix cha jelin bone gwasme bana mandana chikane kulat bana jelin gwasme ko gor kono men le roda la Congo beje M23 rebel tama kan chikan go ma chikane kap Congo do waka witen kokin lo woni kan ko wo do ba cha kulat no misi kan kwarti ko kwer me la kwer Congolese ko che kwer Rwanda che jagwan gor ke jen wo ba janga no na me mi toki chi to mana chora la kan wo do ba dien de je kap chong kor dan to gon tama ajen gor en wo ba kwen ya gwasme ko manan chikan lat kan ne kontin burum gwasme ko shal kan ka kume sadis kan East Africa community ka do brande ko de kap chonga ja ene chana link ka manan chikan latkel Democratic Republic of Congo President Felix Tshisekedi and his Rwanda counterpart Paul Kagame will attend an extraordinary summit of the continent's eastern and southern regional blocs to be hosted by Tanzania to address the army conflict in East DRC. According to Kenyan President, the meeting followed an agreement reached by South African Development Corporation or SADC chairperson and Zimbabwean President Emerson and East Africa Community EAC chairperson and Kenyan President William Ruto. On January 30th, EAC or East Africa Community leader recommended a joint summit with SADC counterpart to deliberate on peaceful resolution to the escalating crisis. This came after M23 rebels allegedly backed by Rwandan captured Goma city of North Kivu province in a fierce fighting with Congolese troops on 27 January and pushed their advance. At least 773 people have been killed in Goma and its vicinity in a week amid fighting and mass displacement to South Kivu and Rwanda, according to multiple UN and media sources. In a statement on Monday, Kenyan President William Ruto announced that the SADC and East Africa Community leadership has accepted joint caucus on the conflict that now threatens to spill to the region. I am glad the leadership of the Southern Africa Development Community and East African Community has agreed to jointly caucus on the conflict in Eastern Democratic Republic of the Congo. Peace and security are critical ingredient for trade and investment in our region. Through our collective effort, we will ensure security reign in our continent. Congolese President had boycotted the EAC summit and announced a counter-offensive to reclaim the area under the rebel control, although he voiced support to diplomatic solution to resolve the conflict. Congolese Tshisekedi and Kagame have now confirmed their participation at the SADC and EAC summit in Dar es Salaam, along with Tanzanian Samia Suluhu, South Africa Cyril Ramaphosa, Uganda Yoweri Museveni, and Somalia Hassan Sheikh Mohamud, according to Ruto. The summit scheduled for Friday and Saturday will bring together heads of state from the 6 members East African Community EAC and the 16 members Southern African Development Community SADC to discuss regional security and diplomatic interventions. Mineral-rich Eastern DRC has been devastated by decades of fighting between government forces and more than 120 army groups, often involving bomb targeting civilians as the militia seek a share of the region gold and other resources. Among them is M23, a militant group composed of ethnic Tutsis who broke away from the Congolese army just over a decade ago and rose to prominence in 2012. Rwanda-backed forces in the Democratic Republic of Congo have announced that they will pause their advance across the east of the country for humanitarian reasons. The AFC or M23 rebel coalition has announced that it would implement a unilateral ceasefire starting on February 4th, 2025. Jen shaling ala ko Congo te chane de chụp ko kudang baro jen baro te wich cha kanak ka jen koro mo antem kwal go do badan de rek mo de kap chongo jen nen yena mo tama tina ko de ka te ga dol mashadol de gwanda na binautin de je kula ngach man de nan bi ngai gwasa me ka jen kor Congo lisna me ka rodian ngaje jen o ne ti ga ne de shu ko kor gwan bar kan tusini ala M23 rebel ano ne ka gwaze da ne shi kan gorno bige nyen ke wude me ko kana gor kan gol kana de mo ke gol ke dab do wude me logo je wude la chal ke felix me la wud congolese logo je no de ne ko nam 23 de kan gol de kan je ke chega cholo no ka ne ka misha video no kono sha tin cha nong ye polka gamare wi de ka tada no shelat ke je janeti lokuda make ko kan shawo ka rwandis ka shi ka rwandis kan ke congolese ka do brana chelat ke je ana me jendande gorno benyo ya ke la Congo kan Rwanda ke ji South African ke jeni South Africa community e chalo ga nyure chale wut ke kwer congolese me ke ne bige je ka bige tere dul ka koniten be agenda do bran kanal ke je e ci kwer Congo che jenok ana me jendana gore de nyoga ya kel ane biate ko malban je mura dien babay